guys, so today we'll be making a quick and easy boutique bow perfect for Memorial Day. What you will need: the Bowdabra bow maker, some bow wire, a hair clip, and ribbon. I have 1-inch wide ribbon in red, white, and blue, and the blue is 36 inches, the white is 34, and the red is 32. I wanted to decrease the length of the ribbon as I stacked my bow. Also scissors and 3/8 inch wide ribbon. Alright, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my bow wire, fold it in half, and place it down in the center of my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to start with my blue ribbon, which is my longest ribbon. I'm going to scrunch a couple of inches from the end, and then I'm going to make a loop, scrunch again, and I'm going to repeat this step a couple of times, and I've decided to make about 4 loops. If you want a larger or loopier bow, then you can definitely add more loops, or if you only want maybe 1 or 2 loops, then you can do that as well. Whatever you prefer. And then I'm also leaving about 1 or 2 inches on either side to make cute little tails. So for the blue, I'm going to have 4 loops and 2 tails. Again, you can modify this as much as you'd like. I'm adjusting it using my wand to scrunch everything together. It looks so cute and precious. You could just leave it like this, honestly, if you choose to do so. But I'm going to continue going, repeat the same step with my white ribbon. And the only difference is this time, after I scrunch, I'm going to twist the ribbon because it is sparkly on one side. And I want to make sure I have the sparkle side showing at all times. The blue, it didn't matter because it was the same on both sides, but as you can see, I'm having to scrunch and twist before I place the white down. And again, the white is a couple of inches shorter than the blue, and the red is a couple of inches shorter than the white. If you want it more dramatic in the size difference, then you can put about 3 or 4 inches between each color. So I'm using my wand to scrunch everything together. I'm adjusting my bow with my wand in place just to make sure everything stays together and in place. And repeat the steps one more time with the red ribbon. And this ribbon does not have a right and a wrong side, so I'm just going to scrunch and place it down. I do not have to twist it. So again, if you want a more dramatic size difference, then add about 3 to 4 inches between each different color. But I think this looks so cute and precious. Next, I'm going to remove my wand, take my bow wire, the 2 open ends inside of the loop, hold my bow in place and give it a nice tug. And then remove it from the Bowdabra. And then I'm going to tie it in a knot a couple of times. And I'm just maneuvering and adjusting all the loops and tails on my bow just one more time. It looks so cute and precious. And then cut away the excess bow wire. And now it's time to add our hair clip. You can use a lighter to finish off any frayed edges. And that's it. You are all done. Such a sweet, simple, easy boutique hair bow. Perfect for any holiday. Adjust the colors and the patterns to fit whatever theme you choose. But it's so simple, easy to make, and it looks so precious.